The ice is melting and the ground is thawing as the Driftless Area sees one of its warmest Februaries. More open ground and more open water mean more opportunities for predators to hunt their prey. As winter begins to fade, daylight is lasting longer, and the overwintering birds are seeing their migratory feathered friends beginning to return early this year. While we've seen geese splashing through water in a calm bathing scene, sometimes the situation turns violent. Geese, like many other creatures, establish a dominance within their group. It's their way of forming a social hierarchy. While most of these disputes start and end without serious incidents, at times the fights can become nearly vicious. Here's one of those more serious scenes where one goose takes a pretty large piece out of another one. A notable difference in the animal world compared to humans, after confrontations over hierarchy end by one of the geese backing down, there's no lingering resentment. Just moments after these geese ended their disagreement, they peacefully resumed sharing their space once again. On the returning of Sandhill Cranes, it's always a pleasure to occasionally see their animated dancing. This is a complex courting ritual for the purpose of facilitating pair bonding. While we've observed inland wildlife in the Driftless area, let's take a big picture look at the wildlife near big water. This side trip shows even large lakes are open, and we'll continue the tour along the sandy banks of the Wisconsin River. I hope you've enjoyed watching these few moments of the outdoor world coming alive again in and around the Driftless area. Thank you very much for watching.